For the belt of the doll, what you will need is to have the body completed. What you'll be doing is doing a surface slip stitch all the way across in between the two rounds, excuse me, of the belt color. So here I'm going to insert my hook into, underneath one of the stitches here. Remember, you're going in between the belt, so I'm inserting it between the white portion, and then I'm going to pull my yarn through, attaching it like so. And I'm going to insert my hook underneath the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through for a slip stitch. Like that. I'll do it again. So go under the next stitch, yarn over, pull through for a slip stitch. And a few more. So go under the next stitch, yarn over, pull through for your slip stitch. You're going to do this all the way around the doll's body between these two rows, and soon enough you'll see that you'll have this nice textured a nice textured line going between the two rows. And you're just going to go all the way around the entire round. At the very end, here, I'm going to simply fasten off and pull my yarn through inside the body. And we'll weave in the ends. So I'll go ahead and pull my yarn ends through first. What you can do to secure them is to tie them inside of the body together, making it nice and tight. So here we can see that belt going all the way around, and it's between the white rows, so it gives off the appearance of a ribbon on the belt. All right.